In one of my videos, I talked about starting a mobile money business with an app called chap. Unfortunately, YouTube has removed that video because of policy violation. But in this video, I'm going to give you the key parts of this app in case you also want to start a mobile money business. Now, if you're ready to get started with this app, find the link under this video description, and also I'm going to leave the sponsor code in the video screen and also in the first pinned comment section of this video and in the description part. Now, before we get started with this video, if you are new in this YouTube channel, do a favor and just click on the subscription button. Also like this video, and in case you want to know anything from this app or you want another video of anything, please leave it in the comment section of this video. I'm going to make for you that video. Now let's dive into our video. Now, to get started with this app, all you have to do is only to create an account which is free. Then now you activate your account with only 51,100 shillings. That is a final activation. Once you pay that money, then now your account will be verified as soon as possible. If you do the following: the number one, take your pic, a full pic of you from the foot up to the head, holding an ID like this. Then take a half of your pic, like for example from here, again holding an ID. Then take a full pic of your environment where you're going to do that business. For example, if you are going to do a business in front of any house, so you can take that house, a full pic, then you send in the chat page of this app. Now, if you send them there and when they are clear, your account will be approved. And also, what you have to add in this is you have to add your guarantees. 3 people. You can put your friend, you write your friend, for example, friend, DavTech, then you put the phone number, then next person, maybe again a friend, his name, then you put the phone number, or family member, his name, you put the phone number, any phone number works. Now, if you do all that and when you've already paid your subscription fee, your account will be verified in less than 1 hour. That is how my account got verified. Now, if that is your business place, for example, that house is yours, you can take, even if it is not your house, just take the pic, a clear pic, because it is the environment where you're going to do that business from, after you send all this in the chat page of this app. Now, if you're done with this, then it means you're ready to start your business. Now, for me, I started it at the end of May, and I got my commission. Now, your commission will be paid to you on the 1st of the next month. For example, this is June. Now, in the 1st of July, I will get my commission. And even if you start, you're going to get your commission. And the minimum commission you'll be paid is 1,000. If your commission is less than 1,000, then your commission will not be sent to you in your account, but it will be accumulated up to the next month. Now, in the next month, if it is more than 1,000, then your money will be paid to you. It is going to be deposited as a float. Then you can sell it or you do with your business. So that is how you're going to run this business. Now, we go to the good parts of this app. Number one is you can sell, you can do this business both MTN and airtel. Now, the question that I had in the previous video that YouTube deleted was that can you send or deposit money to airtel or MTN in case you created an account using MTN? Yes. This app only that you create an account with this number, but you can operate airtel and MTN, and also they are soon in bringing the bank method whereby you're going to deposit money from your chap app up to the bank account of someone, so which is going to be very good for us again with our business. Then the next good thing with it is that when you're doing any deposit, it is free. You'll not be charged with it. Someone comes to you that wants to send money, ask that person 1,000 for sending. Another good thing with this app is you can pay your car, you can pay school fees, you can pay power, you can pay DSTV, you can pay anything with this app like MTN mobile money agents. So that is how you're going to make much money from this app, and that is the good part of this app. Now, what I don't like from this app is sometimes they have frequent maintenance whereby you want to do something and you find that the app is under maintenance, or you cannot do deposit, but a withdraw you can do. But it is a fine app, it has stayed, it has been working for so long. Now, here is how you're going to do this. After you creating your account, you've paid the subscription fee and your account is now licensed. Licensed, it means you've sent your national ID, the pic, both the front and the back page. Secondly, you've sent your pic, a full pic when you're holding an ID like this. Thirdly, when you've sent your pic halfway when you're holding an ID. Then fourthly, when you've sent the pic of environment where you're going to do your business from. So they are going to give you even a guidance in case you contact them from a chat option of this app. If you really want to start this business, pay that money and do as I have mentioned, and your account will be approved shortly and you can run a mobile money business for both Airtel and MTN. So guys, that is how you're going to operate your business. Me, I'm already running it. So if you need to start a business, don't relax. Most of my viewers are youth of 18 to 35 years. So keep doing it. Start your business small. And this app just needs only 51,000. It is not like when you go to MTN that you want a mobile money line whereby they charge you $1 million plus. In this app, you only pay 51,000 and you get started. Now you need a float of any amount, then a cash what people will come and withdraw and give them of any amount. Now for you to earn much money from this app, you have to locate yourself in a busy place, then whereby you can do a withdraw all your money. You'll be earning 3% in whatever thing you're going to do. Guys, find the link under this video description. Also use the sponsor code in this screen and also in the pinned comment section of this video to create an account so that you're going to get a loan. When you use my sponsor code, you're going to get loans also from this app. So that is what I wanted to share with you in this video. Get started and don't be at home seated without making money. Guys, let's meet in the next coming video. But of course, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscription button, like this video and also share it to all your friends.